and today I'm going to be making beignets. Beignets, not to be confused with Bengay, the topical pain treatment. Beignets, infinitely more fun. So these are like French doughnuts, basically. So they're a little bit different than an American donut, and apparently much better. This is a 2-day recipe. I started the dough last night, and today we're going to be shaping and cooking and deep frying and trying eating some of these. So let's get to it. To make the base for the dough, we need to add 90 grams of warm water. Then we add 5 grams of yeast. Mix that up a little bit. Then I'm going to sprinkle 75 grams of all-purpose flour over the top. Then I'm going to cover that and let it sit for 15 minutes in a nice warm spot. Next, I'm going to measure out 200 grams bread flour. I'm going to add 25 grams of sugar and 5 grams of sea salt. Then we need 3 egg yolks. So I'm going to separate those out. After the yeast has been activating for 15 minutes, bring everything over to the stand mixer. And we've got 80 grams of warm water going in. There's our sugar and flour. Start mixing those up a little bit. I'm going to put in my egg yolks and my salt. Now we're going to mix that up for 5 minutes. Okay. So once I've scraped down the sides again, added some more flour, then we mix again for another 5 minutes. Now we're going to add 50 grams of softened butter, and we mix that up for about 4 minutes. So at this point, you might be thinking, gosh, my dough looks really horrid. But just keep going. It's like making a brioche dough where you have to add the butter and it looks really horrible for a minute, but then it all comes back together. All right, nice. We are going to take this dough, put it in there, cover this up with a nice piece of saran wrap, and then we put that in a nice warm spot. It dries for an hour to an hour and a half. Wow, look at that. We want to punch the air out. Then I'm going to cover it back up. And now it's going to go back in the fridge for a couple hours. Okay, it's been in the fridge for a few hours. Now we gotta punch the air out and refrigerate overnight. And then in the morning, we'll make some beignets. Now I've got my pan for my deep frying, got some canola oil, and I'm just going to throw it in there. It's very exciting. I've never deep fried anything at home. I've never deep fried anything anywhere. Then I'm gonna put the lid on it because we're not ready to use it yet, and it will get cat hair inside. So cover until ready for use. So before we begin here with our shaping, I'm gonna take a sheet pan, line it with a clean cloth. I need a little bit of flour for dusting that and for dusting our work surface. So now let's set this aside. Here's our dough. So this has been resting overnight. Looks quite nice. Scrape it out. This is where a scale comes in handy. So we're going to take 35-gram pieces. It's a little big. It's a very sticky dough. Very sticky indeed. Okay, perfect. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we're supposed to have 15. So that's good. Then take this in our fingers like so. Make a, I think you're supposed to like press down, and I'm not sure because this is like too small to, do this with. Maybe like that. It's supposed to make a little ball kind of a thing, right? And then you're supposed to flatten it and set it on the towel. And then just do that for all of them. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I think I'm getting the hang of it now. This is rather fun. So now I've got them all over here, all cute and happy. They're cute. Now we put these in a warm place to rise for an hour to an hour and a half. So while those are rising in a nice warm spot, we're going to make a cinnamon sugar. So we just use 100 grams of sugar and 3 to 5 grams of cinnamon. If you know me, I like it cinnamony. So we're gonna do 5 grams cinnamony. Just kind of mix that together. I feel like we could make some sand art with this. You know, it's pretty. Got my oil heating. We want it to get to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. My dough, which has been proving for about 40 minutes, but I think it's done. Because it's not springing back, so. I think we are ready to test one. Ready? I'm scared. 2.5 minutes per side. My oil's cooled off a little bit. We're at 330. So I hope this still works. That thing, oh, it's golden brown. Oh my God, this might work. Look at that. Oh my God, it's beautiful. So this one is our test subject. We will fry it, then we will cut it open, see what it looks like on the inside. If it's too doughy, we know we have to cook it a little bit longer, and if it gets too dark, cook it less. But this side looks really good. Make sure we're still at temperature. We are still at temperature. This is so exciting. Okay, and time. Look at that little beauty. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna carefully set it over here. Oh, it looks good. It looks really good. Let's cut it open. Quite hot, as you would expect. Quite fluffy. Oh my God, I think it's cooked through. Wow. Look at that. Oh, it's so soft. It's hot. It's so soft. Let's fry up the rest of them. Throw this in a little bit of sugar. And then we'll give them a taste. This is very exciting. It may not look like it at this moment, but it's exciting. Flipping. Deep frying is like a real rush. You should try it. There's 1, 2. Oh, they're so cute. 3. Make sure the oil's heated back up between your batches, and we can put the next ones in. This is great. This is fun. After a few minutes, they've been sitting. We can toss them in the cinnamon sugar. Toss them in, toss them around. Yeah. They're so fluffy. They feel really good on your fingers. You have lipstick on your eyebrows? You got lipstick on your eyebrows? Who's been kissing you? Who's been kissing you? All right, it's me. Flippity floppers. Oh yeah. It's a deep fry dance. You gotta do it. I'm so excited. They came out so good. Oh, they smell so good. Let's try one. Mm. Mm. Wow. That's better than a donut. Yeah. These came out so well. They were a lot of fun, and I think it's one of the best things we made so far. No notes. Join me next week when we whisk up something else. Bye, buddy. the rest of these right now.